Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. So in this video we are drawing letter J and we will make a glass and we will fill it with the juice. So first of all we will make a glass with this black color. So this is a watercolor. Now so we will take red color because this is already with red. J for juice. This is J. You can use a small brush as well. We are using a big brush, so this is a big J. And now we will use colors to color this glass. So this is an orange juice and the orange juice has orange color, and this one is orange color, and these are watercolors, so you can also use. So let us, care should be done. Too much care should be done in this case. Like here I'm drawing, and you have to draw in one direction. Yes, like this. So this is an orange juice. I really like orange juice personally. Kids, are you drawing with me? The straw is disappearing, so it seems that you are sucking the juice, so it will look orange color. Does it matter? So this is a orange juice. This one is the orange juice and this is orange color. You can also balance the colors using another brush like this. Hey kids, I hope you will like it, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. We are uploading so many videos like that. And now let us make an orange juice inside the straw. So it will be somewhere like this. You have to use a small brush. This is juice in the straw. So we have drawn a glass.